What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com, and today I'm showing you a product I made a while ago, and I'm just getting around to doing a YouTube video for it. This is a replacement interior, base, and all that stuff for the 62 Chevy truck. So this is probably one of my favorite castings, one of my favorite cars, to be honest with you. And I wanted to go ahead and make something different, and I was really inspired by that truck that unfortunately flew off the mountain at one of the last times it happened. So that's unfortunate, but anyways, I wanted to make it for this casting. That would be really cool. So this is the Pikes Peak version of this. I actually have another version, I'll show you that after, but this is what the Pikes Peak version looks like. You have a front splitter, you got custom grille, headlights, very minimal. Excuse that I don't have wheels on there right now. I glued it together so I can't remove it. But this is the rear. We have a fuel cell there. We actually have the exhaust opened up on the sides, which I think is a nice touch. That was a pain to try and figure it out, but I ended up getting it. This is the roll cage there. We have two NOS cans mounted on the rear. And then, as you guys saw, this is my wing. And this wing actually goes and fits into these holes right here. And boom. Now it is all one piece, or not really, but you get the idea. And you guys can glue it. I did that for one of my customs. Glued it in there. So that's what that looks like there. And then on the inside, you can't see too well with this casting because I didn't use the correct glass. But if we go ahead and look at the other one here, I have separate. This is what it looks like there. We got a nice steering wheel, the dashboard. We got an extra little gauge on front, and the all the gauges and the speedometers and tachometers and all that stuff. And then we have a nice little Hurst shifter in there, bucket seat, and then a little fire extinguisher. It's rather plain, if I'm being honest with you, but most race car and stuff like that are. So I didn't feel too bad about that, but I definitely want to start adding more and more detail to these builds as I'm going along. And that's something that's going to end up happening with the 83 Silverado I'm doing and some other stuff I have in the works. So, but yeah, this is a quick look at it. You have a C-notch frame, so this thing sits nice and low on the ground. And it's a direct fit, so you don't need to do any cutting, sanding. All you need to do is just take apart the car and then slap it right back in. So I thought that was a pretty cool detail. And then also one little thing that not many people have noticed so far is if you look at the glove box there, it actually says Big Worm right there, my little nickname. So I'm trying to slowly incorporate that into the builds as a little Easter egg kind of thing. But yeah, that's what it looks like. This is all in gray resin, just so you can see it a little bit better. The other one I had painted. But that's what this one looks like. So like I said, this is the Pikes Peak version. And then I also have a regular, just like drag style version. So you can see we have no front splitter. We have a standard grille with the nice big headlights, and then the grille doesn't stay Chevy or anything like that, as opposed to my regular low-wing base for this truck. And everything's pretty much the same in the rear, except I got rid of the mounting plate for the wing. So it's just the roll cage, the NOS cans, and the fuel cell in the rear. And the interior is the same, and you guys can see that here. But I guess this one's in black, actually. So it's the same thing, all just gauges on the dash that are different. But that's what that looks like. And again, this does fit my Kragers that I have. So I have it as a bundle, so when you guys go and order on the website, you guys get everything that is for this truck. You only need the glass, and you only need the car. You can get rid of the rest of the stuff, and it even comes with a set of wheels. So if you guys want either of these, they're on my website right now. It's HHWCUSTOMS.com. And here's a little picture of what it looks like. But this is just a little more in-depth look at what these look like on the cars. I know some people had some questions, so I figured I could just make the video and it'd be easier to send it to them and it'd answer everything for everyone. But if you guys want them, check out my website. It's HHWCUSTOMS.com for any of this stuff that I showed you here, or if you guys want any wheels, decals, or 3 parts, they are also down there. They're all 1/64 scale. So yeah, I try to have a little bit of everything for all your customs, but check it out, guys. Thanks for watching.